this video, I'm going to go over this 1500 watt fan heater. It's a ceramic heater. The wattage is 1500 watts. It's 3 settings. There's a fan and a low and a high. It's got a nice little handle on it for carrying it around, moving it around. Overheat protection. It's got a fuse built in, tip over protection, and power indicator light. And I think that's pretty much it. It's on the box right there. Now it came just like this. By the way, you're going to have to remove this cover right here. It's pretty simple. You just plug it in. You've got 3 modes right here, and it goes all the way from 0 to like 2, which is high. I've got a temperature gun. I'll go ahead and I'll take the temperature of this thing and see how hot it gets right here in the front, because I think it's going to be a great little heater. Okay, I don't know if you can hear in the camera here, but it's plugged in now, and it is super quiet. That has just a small little hum to it. But this gets very hot right here in the front. Here's the tip over protection right here, so check it out. That's where the tip over protection is right there. There's the high and low. It goes from, it looks like minus all the way up to plus, and it's got 3 modes right here. Let's just go fan like that. It's got a power indicator light right here in the front. It's not super bright, but it's bright enough. I've got a temp gun here. Let's go ahead and let's put it on high. Let it get up to temp. Everything is on high. 250 degrees. 251, yeah, it's getting up there, everybody. I don't think it hits 300, but that's 260, 280 degrees right there. Now that's directly right up on it. I can feel the heat probably 4 to 5 feet back pretty easy. So, oh, that must be some sort of thermostat. So that's a thermostat that rotates around. Very handy feature right there. This is pretty much just fan speed. So you just got a lesser fan on that one. And there's fan just by itself. So if you just want to run it as a fan, I think that works out great just as a fan. See, now it's cooling down pretty fast. The front of it is a metal grill, so this will get really warm. Actually, that cooled down way faster than I thought. 130, it was 280 a while ago, 118. That cooled off really fast. Everybody, I don't see any issues with this heater fan at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that's just looking for a small little kind of convenient ceramic heater and a nice package to get you through these cold winters. See you all in the next video.